Emergency alert system. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. A dire and unprecedented situation has now culminated in a grave decision. The entities, described as 7 feet tall, bearing razor-sharp teeth, arms with vicious claws, bodies composed of a sinister blend of black blood and flesh, and long spirally legs, have unleashed terror and destruction across the southwestern United States. In the face of this unparalleled threat, the United States government has taken the drastic and heartbreaking action of launching nuclear arms to combat the entities. These measures have been initiated to safeguard the nation and humanity as a whole. The safety of the United States is of paramount concern. For your safety, please adhere to the following critical instructions. Take immediate shelter and secure yourself against the impending actions. Refrain from any interaction or engagement with the entities. Use a battery-powered radio or mobile device to receive official updates. Limit phone usage to emergencies to ensure open lines for official communications. It is imperative to remain vigilant and to seek shelter to safeguard yourself against the consequences of this grave action. Your safety is the highest priority. This is an agonizing and unanticipated situation, and all residents are encouraged to take immediate steps to protect themselves and their loved ones. Do not engage with the entities, as their consequences are beyond comprehension. The United States is now under a state of emergency. Please stay prepared for further updates. Emergency alert system. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and FEMA. A calamitous and horrifying development has unfolded. Contrary to all expectations, the deployment of nuclear weapons has not subdued the entities, but has instead granted them unprecedented power and resilience. They now possess longer and sharper claws, stand at a terrifying height of 10 feet, have gained the ability to teleport within the fog, and can achieve speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. Their legs are now adorned with menacing spikes. The threat is more severe than ever. In the face of this devastating and unforeseen development, the United States government and FEMA are working tirelessly to develop new strategies to counteract the entities. The safety and survival of the nation and its citizens are of the utmost importance. For your safety, please adhere to the following life-saving instructions. Stay inside your shelter and take every possible precaution to secure it. Avoid any form of engagement or interaction with the entities. Use a battery-powered radio or mobile device to receive official updates. Refrain from using your phone except in emergencies to keep lines open for official communications. It is crucial to remain vigilant and to shelter yourself against this escalating threat. Your safety remains the highest priority. This is an unprecedented and nightmarish situation, and all residents are strongly advised to take immediate action to protect themselves and their loved ones. Do not attempt to engage with the entities, as their consequences are beyond comprehension. The United States remains in a state of national emergency. Please remain prepared for further updates.